All right, here we go. Day 8, Algebra 1, systems of equations by substitution. And we're going to have both of them solved for y. So let's get that started. Make sure you have it written down. I'm going to go through 4 of them, not go through all 6. If you need extra help and want me to go through the other 2, we can do that via Zoom. We can go over any of these via Zoom, or I can get some new ones up. So if you don't understand, watch it. If you understand and know what you're doing, get on to your homework. You don't need to take the notes. All right, here we go. This is equal to y, that is equal to y, and if they're both equal to y, then they're both equal to each other. So 6x minus 17 equals 4x minus 9. Hopefully you can see that. Looks like you can. No distribute, no combined like terms, but we do have an extra variable. I like to take the smallest one, so 4x. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides of the equation. That will give me a positive 2x over here. If I decided to subtract 6x from both sides, that would give me a negative 2 over here, and I'll be dealing with the negative. But if you're good with them, don't have to worry about it. If you're not, follow that strategy. We have 2x minus 17 equals that, equals negative 9. So our next is to get rid of the what's added or subtracted. So we're going to add 17 to both sides of the equation. That'll leave us with that 2x on this side. And negative 9 plus 17, 10. Whoop, 8. What was I thinking? Go ahead and divide by the 2. X equals 4. Easy peasy on that one. Change the color. That color looked a little weird. Try this one. So this is equal, right? This is equal to y. That's equal to y. So therefore they're equal to each other. Cover up that bottom part there for you. Get rid of the lowest extra variable. So I like to take the 6x. So I'm going to add 6x to both sides of the equation. 24 equals 14x minus 18. Get rid of what's added or subtracted. That's that 18. That's gone. 14x equals 42. And divide by 14. 14's disappeared. We're going to get x equals, and that should be 3. Hopefully you're not going to have any questions on that. If you do, I got 2 more I'm going to do with you. But my suggestion, and most of you have not been doing it, is get on Zoom. I can answer specific questions about what you do and don't understand, so make sure that you do that. All right, here we go. That one and this one, they're equal to each other. Ugh, don't like that color either. Where's my purple? That one works better. Here we go. 2x plus 16, that's right there, equals this, negative 3x minus 19. They're both equal to y, so they're both got to be the same value. I'm going to add 3x. And yes, you may subtract 2x from both sides. That is gone. 2 plus 3 is 5x plus 16 equals that negative 19, since these are gone or 0. I'm going to subtract the 16 because the 5, remember, is attached to the x. We're going to wait to that to the end because it's multiplied. So we're going to get rid of what's added or subtracted. That variable it happens to be 16 happens to be added to it, so we'll subtract 16 to both sides. And negative 19 plus negative 16, negative 35. And divide now, get rid of that 5, and we've solved for that x. We got that, isolated that x, and our answer is negative 7. Last one for right now. So I'm giving myself some room since I ran over on this side over here. we're going to do 5x plus 7 equals 4x plus 5. They're equal to each other, guys. Go ahead. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. You could have subtracted the 5x. Doesn't really matter. Those two are gone. I'm left with 5 on that side. Here, 5 minus 4 is 1x. You could just put x there. If you're good with your variables, you know that's just x. Save you a step. If not, don't worry about it. Here's the x. So since we're adding 7, we're going to subtract 7. 1x, and that equals -2. I could just say I'm done. X equals -2. But if you're stuck on that 1 for some reason, some of you guys do that, that's fine. You're still going to get -2 when you divide by 1. Okay? Any questions? Zoom with me. Watch the videos over and over again, yesterday, today. Do what you need to do so that you have a good, strong understanding of what you're doing. But if you're not contacting me, not emailing me, you're not Zooming me, then I'm going to assume that you're doing it or you're just not doing anything at all. So I'm assuming that you understand. See you guys.